This video today is going to be in two different sessions. The first session, I'm going to talk about my study tips, helpful and relatable study tips that will help you climb your way to being an A+ student in your institution or even in your class. And the second section, I'm going to talk about my DIY, that is my do-it-yourself organization hacks that has been able to guide me and always make me organized as a student in the university. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a 400 level student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science, and in my channel I help students level up their academic game. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And just like I've said in this video today, it's going to be a two-session video, and I'm going to make it to be very snappy and relatable, that if you incorporate this into your daily life, making it your routine, I believe and I promise you that you are going to climb from the current step you are to the next higher step. So basically, the first section, which is the study tips, is that as a student who is wishing to climb from being probably a B student or a C student to becoming an A student, and not just an A student but an exceptional A student, some university grading system where you say 70 is an A, but these exceptional ones are those people that score up to 90. Understand? These are A+ students. So the first tip is by setting SMART goals. This SMART, SMART, simply means SMART is that is simple, measurable, achievable, relative time goal. Understand? Relative time goal. That means your goal must be that simple. Can simply say specific. You understand? Can say simple, specific, measurable, achievable, relatable time goal. That means for every goal you are setting should have a time base, and for every goal you are setting should be very specific in that particular semester. That means you have been able to group that goal, or you have been able to identify that goal that is going to be for this particular semester. That is the time base I'm talking about. Then the specific is, what do you really want to achieve this semester? Is it to becoming an exceptional student? Is it from engaging in extracurricular activities or stuff like that? Or is there any issue you're having in a course or a subject? Let's assume you were not good in physics last semester, and in this particular semester you want to upgrade, you want to start scoring higher in physics. That means that goal is very specific, and you have to also be measurable. That is, how will I be able to achieve it with the little resources that I am having right now, or with the little resources that I am planning to add to myself this semester. So you must be able to set smart goals, and these smart goals must be time centers also. The second is by using the Pomodoro technique. I always talk about the Pomodoro technique in my videos. The Pomodoro technique is simply breaking down your study sessions into short focus block. That means if you have to study, probably let's use an example of you have to study for 1 hour. You can decide to study for 25 minutes, have a 5-minute break, energize yourself, and come back and study for 25 minutes. When you add these minutes together, you get to find out that you have actually studied for 1 hour. By breaking these study sessions into short focus block, is that it's going to release every form of anxiety, or it's going to release every form of tension you will having probably in the course of your study. And the third study tips is by studying actively. In our normal classroom setting where we take our bath and go to school, what we just have to do is we sit down and the lecturer start teaching us and stuff like that. But if you want to actually live that method and upgrade yourself as a student to start being known as an exceptional student, or the 1% group of students, then it means you must be able to incorporate the concept of active learning technique. There are various methods of the active learning technique. We have using the flashcard method, which you can see on the screen, the flashcard method. We also have the active recall method, where after reading a particular topic you decide you can close it and try to see whether you'll be able to remember what you have just read. We also have the space repetition method, where probably you read a particular course, let's assume physics on Monday, you give a Tuesday, give a Wednesday, and you come back to your physics on Thursday. So that is just my simple study tips: setting smart goals, using the Pomodoro technique, and incorporating the active learning technique. So now we'll be talking about my DIY organization hack. That is a do it yourself organization hack. This means that you can actually incorporate my organization hack into your life and become organized, clearing every form of confusion in your life as a student. And one of my first organization hacks is by collaborating everything I have. Understand? Collaborating everything you have as a student is an essentiality that a lot of people don't talk about. This simply means, let's assume you can use green for science. You collaborate your book that for every green book you have in your house will be for science subject. You get my point? Let's assume every green subject in your every green book in your house is going to be for physics, every blue book in your house is going to be for mathematics, every red book in your house is going to be for chemistry and stuff like that. It's going to keep you very, very organized, because at any particular time in your life that, or at any particular time you want to read, and you grab or you lay your hand on a red notebook cover, you already know that that is your chemistry book that you want to read, and it's going to keep you organized and very, very focused. The second is by creating a study planner. A study planner is simply creating a study timetable. Study timetable is underrated. A lot of students don't even have their study timetable, and this is because some of them don't know how to prepare a study timetable. Creating a study timetable should be something that you are realistic to yourself. Understand? You must be very, very realistic. You must know who you are. You must know how busy you used to be. You must know the kind of family you are coming from. Do you have time in the evening? Do I have time in the evening to study? Am I a night reader? Am I a daytime reader? Or am I a morning reader? These are stuffs that will help you in creating a good study timetable. If you want me to assist you in creating a good study timetable, please just drop it in the comment section. Just say, please sir, help me create a study timetable, or just say I am interested in the study timetable planning. You understand? And I will be grateful and very, very helpful to help you create a realistic study timetable which will help you in your studies. The third is by building a study command center. This one is something that you shouldn't joke with. A study command center. The moment you go to that spot, there must be a spot in your house that the moment you sit down there, you are not there to play, you are there to study. Like that particular place, that particular spot in your house commands the spirit of studying. It can be just a small corner in your house, you understand? Just like people say prayer, like your altar, you understand? But that should be your studying altar, that the moment you sit down there, the only thing that comes to your mind is to study. So by having a study command center in your house will really, really help you, and also keep you organized and very, very focused. And always remember that being organized as a university student is a mindset. It's a thing of the mindset, and a mindset is simply a change in your former way of thinking, and it is something that you can incorporate in your daily life. And I am also open to learning from you. Drop it in your comments, in the comment section. Tell me your do it yourself organization hack as a student, and also help drop your study tip in the comment section, and I will learn from you, and others also who are going to read from the comment section will also learn from you. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also please don't forget to share this video to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I will feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And lastly, don't forget to hit on the like button, because when you hit on the like button, it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm that a lot of people are loving this video, and the YouTube algorithm will be left with no choice than to show this video to a larger audience. But I'll see you in my next video. Always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.